Good morning everyone. My name is Nishika Sigadia. I study in class 8th all-rounder. Today I am going to tell you a story. The title of our story is The Magic Show. Once upon a time, there is an old magician runs a magic show with his two beloved students, Tom and Jack. Jack is married. He performed the magic trick with his wife, in which they tied the hand and dropped into water with the lock key inside the water. In the trick, she has to untie the fake note and came out from the cage. One day, Tom asked the Jack wife to take the risk, act as a original, and put a tight note. Unfortunately, Jack's wife died. After this, Tom and Jack separated with a fight. They start their own magic show in different theaters. Tom performed a show in which he enters from one cage and came out from the another. After seeing this, Jack also wanted to perform this magic trick in his theater, but he didn't find any clue about the trick. Actually, Tom is twin. He hid this secret to everyone, even to their fiancé. Tom entered from one cage and Tom twin came out from the another. After some time, Jack also performed this act in his theater. He found a Tesla machine in which it can make cloned person. One day, Tom go to the Jack theater to find out the actual trick. When he go to the theater, he saw the Jack drowning in the water. Suddenly, the police came there, and arrest Tom because in the charge of Jack's murder. Actually, the secret was after the cloned person made, Jack has to kill the cloned person, otherwise he should also get killed. In the jail, Tom find out that Jack was still alive. He said to his twin to visit the Jack theater and take his revenge. Tom twin visit the Jack theater and they both start fighting. They burn the theater. In the last moment, they open their secret to each other. After this, Jack and Tom twin died due to the fire, and Tom impressions for life for the murder case of Jack's clone. In this, we saw that Jack and Tom lost their everything due to only one thing, vengeance. Moral of the story: vengeance destroys family, relationship, and everything we have. Thank you.